What game is this?
A heart game.
How do you play?
Like this one. This. You stack down this by carefully and pick them. So we hit them on and you take them and you take them. See?
Wow.
That's how you do it.
What's this game called?
The heart game.
Oh, what's the diamond game?
The diamond game is a hurting.
Is this a diamond game?
Yes. So we match the diamonds and then we bring them over here. We're up. So answered matches.
What's the clown game?
The big name. That's the name of it. See? You just put them like that, and you want them, and then you ask us if you want to play the game, and then you want to. See? That's how you play the game.
What a great game.
Play it. You have to play it. So we sort them like this.
Carefully.
No. So we sort the diamonds, and this is the diamonds. Those ones. See, so we match the diamonds and the match. See?
Oh, wow. What happens if one of these clubs is in there?
We don't match.
And then what?
We don't do the game anymore.
Oh, okay.
And the game is over.
Oh, okay. What do you do with these ladies? Those are queens. What do you do with the queens?
Well, you see that I'm taking these. We're taking these. And now the game started. So we snake. And then we match.
Oh my goodness, they do match.
Yeah.
Huh.
So they go together. Then take that.
Does this one match with this one?
No. It's out now.
Oh, we don't want to do that because we'll lose them.
But I'm okay. That's okay. If I do that.
Oh, okay, I see.
It's carding.
It's like a magic trick. Can you say abracadabra?
Abracadabra. Sing the game. Sing it. Okay.
What do you do with the clowns? How do you play with the clowns?